You are welcome to today's episode of Word of the Wise. 5 Secret Money-Making Steps. If you spend money daily, then it is important that you find a way to also make money every day. Making money daily is not as hard as you think. Here are 5 simple steps you can follow to start making money daily. 1. Find a starving crowd. Look for a group of people that has a very pressing problem. These people must also be willing to spend money to get their problem solved. 3. Turn your digital product into an irresistible offer. What is an offer? An offer is simply a way of presenting your digital product to your customers such that the value of the product far outweighs the amount of money you're asking people to pay for it. Let me give you an example. Gary is a product. But when you add sugar and groundnut to it as gifts, it becomes an offer. Looking at the above example, the best way to turn your digital product into an offer is to add some bonuses. Don't just add any kind of bonuses, ensure your bonus will also benefit the buyers of your digital product. You can't be selling rice and be giving people toothpaste as a bonus. Plantain should be a perfect bonus to go with rice. 4. Price your offer for a small amount. Make your offer very affordable. You can price your offer between 1,000 naira to 5,000 naira. Why? Firstly, this amount is disposable income. It's a very small amount and people can easily let it go without thinking twice. Secondly, people do not need to save and budget before paying for your offer. The next thing you need to do is 5. Drive massive traffic to your offer. Once your offer is ready, what you want to do is to keep driving massive traffic to the offer daily. This can be easily achievable with Facebook ads. You can as well use content marketing. You can pay influencers to promote your offer too. You can as well use WhatsApp TVs and also use affiliates. The more eyeballs that sees your offer daily, the more sales you're likely to make daily. Go and practice the above steps and thank me later.